Hi, this is John again. We're gonna show what we've done to the layout. We've added some block detection and we added to JMR, so JMRI. So we're gonna show you some of that, how to do that. So like this red block here, any of these red blocks, we have trains on them. The blue is the standard color, and the red, it turns from blue to red. So for example, if you, we'll go inside JMRI, and this is the block name of it. In here, we actually added a sensor, is LS for LocalNet sensor 147. So that's we have a list of all the different sensors. We have one BD168 from Digitrack that we're using. So these are all the different sensors. It has 16 available. We're only going to be using 8 of them. So then, so we added that. We also added some more turnouts to it that are actually operational now. That we have temporary push buttons on the side of the layout until we have mountings for them. So I'll go ahead and we'll run this one train. I'll just show you through the different blocks. So if you pan over the screen, you can. So as you can see, it's going through the different blocks. We currently have 8 blocks set up that we'll be using for the signal system later on when we set the signal system up. And now we'll go ahead and show you the circuit boards and a little bit of the wiring. It still needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but for now, we have the Digitrack's BD168, and we also have a PM42 for the power management, so that we have block detection, power management. And then before we do have the signal board that we're right now for the turnouts. So this is the setup. If you have any questions or comments on the video, go ahead and comment on it. And if you have any questions on how other things are done, let me know. Talk to you later.